Question number 1. He was dash first man to arrive. Correct answer is third, the. Question number 2. Dash woman is more sensitive than a man. Option first is correct. A woman is more sensitive than a man. Question number 3. Dash bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Correct answer is A. Option 2 is correct. Question number 4. The roses in your garden are beautiful. Option 4 is correct. Question number 5. Option 1 is correct. There is some chocolate cake over there. Question number 6. I am not the one you are looking for. Option 2 is correct. Question number 7. It is said that Nero played dash fiddle while Rome burned. Option 2 is correct. It is said that Nero played the fiddle while Rome burned. Question number 8. I made a good many friends there. Option 4 is correct. Question number 9. He spread dash honey on a slice of bread. Correct answer is a little. Option 3 is correct. Question number 10. Dash applicant has 5 choices. Option 2 is correct. Each applicant has 5 choices. Question number 11. The voice was coming dash my apartment. Option 3 is correct. The voice was coming from my apartment. Question number 12. The switch is dash the door. The switch is by the door. Option 4 is correct. Question number 13. She has lived in Jaipur since her return dash America. Option 2 is correct. From. Question number 14. He lives dash begging. Preposition बनना है इसमें, तो he lives by begging. Option 4 is correct. Question number 15. Were there many people dash the meeting? Were there many people at the meeting? Option 2 is correct. At. Question number 16. Dash helping the poor, we help student also. Option 3 is correct. Besides helping the poor, we help student also. Question number 17. His house is very different dash your house. Option 2 is correct. His house is very different from your house. Question number 18. Divide these 12 mangoes dash the 3 boys. Divide these 12 mangoes among the 3 boys. Option 4 is correct. He is entirely absorbed dash his studies. He is entirely absorbed in his studies. Option 2 is correct. Question number 20. Select the correct meaning. Question number 20. Counsel, to advise. Option 3 is correct. 21. Negligent. Option 1 is correct. Careless, thoughtless. Question number 22 to 26. We have to answer. We have to read the passage and answer the following question. So first one is 22. What is that one thing everybody talks about? It is human nature. Option 4 is correct. Question number 23. How do humans behave when they have fight? Option 3 is correct. Like a human animal. Question number 24. What determines our behavior? Individual experience and environment. Option 4 is correct. Question number 25. The meaning of the word immigrants is. Option 4 is correct. One who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. Question number 26. The meaning of the word unique is? Option third is correct, being the only one of its kind. Identify the tenses in the sentences given below. Question number 27. I have noticed this trait in many actors. Third one is correct. It is in present tense. Question number 28. The doctor had been working alone. Option first is correct. Past perfect continuous. Question number 29. We choose the correct sentences from the given verbs. We dash a terrifying noise that night. Option 2 is correct. We heard a terrifying noise that night. Question number 30. In a few years, we all dash in multi-storied house. Option 4 is correct. In a few years, we all will be living in multi-storied houses. Question number 31. She dashed me since 2008. She has known me since 2008. Option 1 is correct. Question number 32. Again, we have to choose the correct sentences from the given verb. This is the third time my car dashed since I bought it. Correct answer is option second, has broken down. Question number 33. 2 weeks have passed since I dash him. Option first is correct. 2 weeks have passed since I saw him. Question number 34. No sooner we did reach the stadium, it started raining. Option 4 is correct. No sooner we did reach the stadium, it started raining. Question number 35. Again, correct answers as from the given verb. We have to choose. I am sorry. I dash not. I am sorry. I could not concentrate. I was thinking about something else. Option second is correct. Question number 36. A good deal of useful information has already reached me. Option third is correct. Choose the correct option of the passive construction. Question number 37. They poured water on us. Correct answer is fourth one. Water was poured on us. Question number 38. They are preparing the papers now. Option 4 is correct. The papers are being prepared now. Question number 39. If I had the instruction manual, I would know what to do, said the passenger. Indirect. It is a incorrect question. Options are not correctly given in it. Question number 40. Everyone would like to be famous. Change it into interrogative. Correct answer is first. Who would not like to be famous? Question number 41. How can I ever repair your debt? Option third is correct. I can never repay your debt. Change to affirmative में change करना था. Question number 42. Someone explain the procedure to me. Change it to the passive voice. Option third is correct. Both the procedure was explained to me and I was explained the procedure. Question number 43. The book interested me. Change it to the passive voice. Option third is correct. I was interested in the book. Karuna. Question number 44. Karuna has withdrawn the money. Change it to the passive voice. Option first is correct. The money has been withdrawn by Karuna. Question number 45. Everybody knows that he is rich. Changes to passive voice. Option first is correct. He is known to be rich. Question number 46. Ravina said to me, "What a pity you missed my sister's wedding." Change the narration. Option first is correct. Ravina exclaimed that it was a great pity I had missed her sister's wedding. Question number 47. Sneha said, "Which firm are you working with?" Change the narration. Option fourth is correct. Sneha asked me which firm I was working with. Question number 48. Ravi asked me if I was satisfied with the answer. Change to direct speech. Option third is correct. Ravi said to me, "You are satisfied with the answer." Question number 49. He said that he need not be in the office till 10 the next morning. Change it into direct. Option first is correct. He said, "I need not be in the office till 10 tomorrow morning." Question number 50. Antonyms बताने. Vulgar, tasteful, extravagant, frugal. Option 2 is correct. Synonyms बताने इनके. Question number 52. Ambiguous, doubtful. Question number 53. Compliance, obedience. Question number 54. Benign, kindly. Fourth option is correct. Question number 55. To rest on one's laurels. Idioms और phrases हैं ये. Option third is correct. To retire from active life. Question number 56. To come across. Correct answer is third. To meet with. Models fill करने हैं. Question number 57. You need not work this Sunday. Option fourth is correct. Question number 58. I will see you again. Option fourth is correct. Question number 59. You can use my car. Option first is correct. Question number 60. When I was a baby, I could put my foot in my mouth. Option 2 is correct. Question number 61. On probation का हिंदी अनुवाद क्या है? Option 4 is correct. Question number 62. Choose the following an acceptable way of writing the date. Option first is correct. 27th September, then comma, then year. Question number 63. Dash is invited for the purchasing of goods for public service by government offices. Option 2 is correct. Tender. Question number 64. Which of the following is not a part of notice? It is salutation. Option first is correct. Question number 66. Question number 65 is missing. Mistakenly नहीं डाला गया है. Question number 66. A polite complimentary greeting is an official letter is called. Third, salutation. Question number 67. What among the following is used to exchange the information within the same department? Option 2 is correct. Memorandum. An official letter. Question number 68. An official letter is written in first. Option first is correct. In formal language. One word substitution. Question number 69. The study of coins is known as numismatic. Question number 70. A man of odd habits. Correct answer is fourth, eccentric. Question number 71. Dash is the stepping stone to the success. हमें अपोजिट वर्ड से फिल करना है। फेलियर इज द ऑप्शन थर्ड इज करेक्ट। फेलियर इज द स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू सक्सेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, शी was dismissed from the school but was later reinstated after the charges were dropped. Option third is correct. Question number 73, which word is correctly spelled? Duly is correctly spelled. Option third. Question number 74, despite his dash he had to suffer. Despite his innocence he had to suffer. Option fourth is correct. Choose the word with correct spelling. Option fourth is correct. Separate. Question number 76, which of the following word is correctly spelled? Option third is correctly spelled. Fraternity. Question number 77, I am dash about my success. Second, confident. Question number 78, this is dash very suitable for a housing complex. Option fourth is correct. Site. In this question, group of 4 words are given. In each group, one word is correctly spelled. Find the correctly spelled word. Question number 79, option second is correct. Autumn. Question number 80, option fourth is correct. Pungent. Question number 81, option 2 is correct. Dictionary. Question number 82, he was a very dash person. He was a very industrious person. Option third is correct. You should practice so that you do not dash the match, lose the match. Option 2 is correct. Question number 84, we should dash our vote wisely to strengthen the democracy. Cast. Option 1 is correct. One word substitution. Question number 85, handwriting that cannot be read. Illegible. Option 4 is correct. पैसेज, कुछ पैसेज गिवन है, उस पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 to 90 करने थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, द वर्ल्ड कीप्स इट्स बुक्स विद केयर बिकॉज. ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट. दे हेल्प अस इन वेरियस स्फीयर्स ऑफ लाइफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, of the products of human efforts, books are the most permanent. Option 4 is correct. Question number 88, good books are good because they are of universal value. Option 3 is correct. Question number 89, to throw out of currency means to put out of use. Option 2 is correct. Question number 90, time cannot destroy books because. Option 2 is correct. They contain great ideas that continue to live in the minds of the people. Question number 91. Pick out the correct sentences from those given below. Question number 91. Option 4 is correct. She rubbed her eyes hard. Question number 92. Option 2 is correct. Chennai was the worst affected by the floods. Question number 93. My bicycle has been stolen. Question number 94. Following sentences are broken into 4 parts. Make the one with the error. Option 3 is correct. Fever then. Question number 95. Option 3 is. Option 3 contain the error. Same is the case with question number 94. Option 3 contain the error. हमें error वाला ऑप्शन फाइंड करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 में इनटू द बस. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 96 इट इज अमंग वाले ऑप्शन में एरर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97, द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ द एडवर्ब वेल इज बेस्ट. ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट. द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ द मच इज मोर. क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन first is correct. Question number 99. Correct connective fill करना है हमको. He is intelligent but his sister is dull. Option first is correct. Question number 100. He has all the facilities but he doesn't make use of them. Option 2 is correct.